Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be taking a short look at two brand new functions on the iCarsoft BMM version 2.0 kit. So the BMM version 2.0 kit is suitable for BMW and Mini vehicles, and if you don't have it already, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. If you do have this kit and you want to add these two brand new functions to your tool, then of course I'll put the link, the software update link, in the description below the video as well, so you can get access to those new features. So we have the tool plugged into the USB port, as you can see here, and we're going to click onto the service option, click on enter. And we're going to scroll down here, and these six here, these options have already been there, but one of the new options is the ABS brake bleeding. So this will now allow you to bleed the brakes in your BMW or your Mini vehicle. And the second new function is the injector coding. So if you do need to code new injectors to your BMW or your Mini, then by all means this tool will allow you to now do so. Having previously been working on the software, the engineers have now installed the software and finished the software, so it's now ready for anybody to use free of charge. As I say, if you've already got this tool and you want to add this to your tool free of charge, then use the update link in the description below my video here. And also, if you want to maybe buy this tool for your BMW or your Mini, then go ahead and check it out at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it's helped you.